to record this, and then they just used it where the water came across for the boats. You can feel the mist of the water. Oh yeah, so dope. Love it. For one of the boats. Well, we're like private boat. So yeah, just wanted to get that. I might walk on the other side. I don't know yet. But, alright.